Are you also bored of eating roti every single day? Well, today I got you a great substitute for roti, not just in terms of look and feel, but also in terms of the nutrition value. So join me in this video because I'm gonna cook one of my most favorite dishes, which is super simple, super tasty, and very healthy. So join me along, but do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Let's go. We're gonna make savory pancake from masoor dal, which is red lentil, and moong dal. So I've soaked this up for 8 to 10 hours and now I'm gonna grind it. It's done. And after I'm done grinding it, I'm gonna add the basic Indian spices. So firstly, I'm gonna add some salt. Add according to your taste, some turmeric powder, some red chili powder, and some dhania powder, coriander powder. Everything do add according to your taste. If you want, you can also go ahead with ginger garlic paste, with chopped green chilies, onions if you want to. I basically like to keep it simple because I'm gonna enjoy it with the sabji later. So yeah, this is all I'm gonna add, and I'm gonna nicely mix it. Now I've preheated a pan and greased it with some ghee. Now you don't really need to grease with anything if your pan or tawa is non-stick, but I like to enjoy some ghee. And now I'm gonna pour my batter. So be patient there because you will just see how impatient I am. Yes, so be very patient, and yeah, just try to go slow with the round there, and then you can use a small spoon and just make the edges a little thinner if you want to. Otherwise you can just leave it to this. Okay, so I'm gonna cook it for like 5 to 7 minutes, and yeah, this is how it turns after 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna try and turn it. So you'll see that how beautifully it is cooked from one side. So you can see that it's half cooked. Now I'm going to cook it from the other side also for 5 minutes. Now I'm cooking it on low flame. But when I turned it, I increased the flame a little bit because I like it to be a little crispy. So it's up to you. And you can see this is ready. This looks so delicious. Please don't go with the shape, but otherwise it's good. And now we're gonna move on to the other chila or other pancake. So I'm gonna just take the batter and pour it on the tawa. You can see how hot it is. So again, I've added some ghee there because there was a big lump of batter, so I just thought adding some ghee would help. So I've turned it and you can see how beautifully it has cooked from one side. I'm gonna make it a little crispier, and then I'm gonna serve it. So I've served this with two chutneys. Recipe of one of these chutneys is in my yesterday's video, so the link is in the description box if you want to check it out. And the other one is simple garlic and green chili chutney. Now I'm also taking some sabji to go along with the chila or dosa, whatever you want to call it. And that's pretty much it. And because I've had it, I can say that it was really tasty, very filling, and super satiating. So hope you liked this video. Do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe before leaving. I'm gonna see you tomorrow. Bye.